Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the highly anticipated Hot Wheels Car Culture Race Day mix. So we got Mix D for 2024. FPY86 is your Car Culture case code. This case came from Stop Diecast. And let me just say that I have seen quite a few people posting their Stop Diecast mail finds. And there have been quite a few that have been very, very happy with getting the chase here. Will I get it? We'll find out. All right, first car is out of the case. The Corvette C8.R, number 205, in silver. So we got this one coming back. It is a... I believe this is actually an authentic like replica livery of we've seen it in yellow before. This one's in silver, so very nice to have that mix or that car. And let me just say the anticipation is killing me, so I'm gonna jump right to the Rexy, right? Because that's what everyone wants to see. I'm gonna jump right to it, and we did not get the chase. Wow, that is very surprising actually, because the Stop Diecast cases have been loaded. So I appreciate Fred from Stop Diecast for sending this case over. Unfortunately, this was not one of the fortunate ones, but congrats to you who bought the case and were able to get the pink Roxy. I did get two Rexys. Obviously, not as great as getting a Roxy chase because those things seem like those are going to be very, very, very expensive on the secondary market. But regardless, two Rexys in this case here. Very cool car. AO Racing did a fantabulous job about, branding this car. Very, very kid friendly, definitely. And the adults seem to have gravitated towards it. Just not covered up in, sponsor logos or anything like that. You get more of this like personification of a vehicle in Roxy. So, and then obviously the chase, if I would have had it, would have been the pink Roxy, which is Rexy's sister. And just another vehicle from AO Racing. But two of the green Rexys from this case. This is number 1 of 5. This one will be popular. Obviously, the pink variant will be insanely popular. But both of those cars, I expect Hot Wheels collectors to gravitate towards. All right, next car out of the case is the 2023 Nissan Z GT4. Okay, so this is a new casting, right? A new casting for 24. It is based off, obviously, off the new Nissan Z. And so it's there isn't, we got, what do we have? Air vents in here? Little hood vents. And then obviously the wing. But otherwise, I would say very similar to the new Nissan Z casting. Obviously, we got little chin spoiler there, some aero, part of the aero kit here. But yeah, very cool. In white, got the Nismo on there. So that is number 4 of the mix. So far, the Corvette, the Porsche, the Nissan. Okay, so we have the Bentley. It feels like we just got one of these, right? I just did the Fast and Furious unboxing, and we just did a premium 2018 Bentley Continental GT3 in that mix. So now we see the casting in Car Culture, I believe, for the first time with the metal base. You got the GT3 style, body, which obviously makes more sense than it did in that Fast and the Furious release, where they kind of did that race-inspired thing. But full deco on this one. Green and black looks good. Pearl white paint. Got the 10 spokes on there. But yeah, very nice one there. So that is number 3 of 5 in this mix. And last but not least, another car I've actually been very excited for is the BMW 320 Group 5. So this car, obviously, if you know, you know, inspired by a real livery, but, with Hot Wheels and Mattel's stance on not going full-fledged on the sponsors that, and obviously in the fields of alcohol, tobacco, firearms, they have chosen not to go that route. But we still get this like really cool, inspired, replica livery here. So great casting. I like the, I don't think I've ever noticed the, are those gas caps, or is that exhaust? It's exhaust, right? It comes out the back of the trunk. But yeah, very cool casting. I love the racing headlights with the taped X on them, prevent them from shattering. Gold wheels, orange green paint. So, and that is number 5 of 5. So that is race day for 2024. Thank you again, One Stop Diecast, for sending this case over. I know all the One Stop Diecast cases are sold out, so don't even bother trying to get a full case for One Stop. But I know that I think Modern Classics is next, so you can go ahead and pre-order those cases from One Stop Diecast if you feel so inclined. Great mix. Let me know what your favorite is in the comments below. Definitely interested to hear what you think. I mean, I think obviously the Porsche is just gonna be insanely popular. The Rexy, and then these, these other cars, they're all race inspired. I think this one would be next to go. And then, yeah, I got the new, obviously the GT4 new casting. Bentley, I don't know if there's that much fanfare around that one, but the Corvette C8.R seems to be growing in popularity as well. So this is another nice issue for this one. And you know what? Yeah, this is the reverse color, right? We've seen it in yellow in Team Transport. So this would be essentially the reversed or silver variant of that one. So good to have kind of another pairing to that one. All right, let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and make sure you watch out for more other case unboxing videos and the full case report on OrangeTruckDiecast.com. Thank you again to One Stop Diecast.